gonna go to Mercey Hot Springs today. That was a cool jet landing. I think it's a Phenom 300. Let me go ahead and call tower. Tower Kitfox 171 kilo 32. Would like to request a right knowing departure. It's a flight of 2.
Fox 1 kilo and flight runway 32 left, clear for takeoff. Fly straight out, I'll call your right turn.
Alright, we'll clear for takeoff 32 left, and you call a right turn straight out for now, 1 kilo.
Fox 1 kilo and flight, your right downwind departure is approved. Traffic 1.5 miles to the north, circling east for right traffic, a Cessna 1000 indicated.
Alright, we'll be looking for that Cessna and we're starting right turn at 1 kilo. 3200 here is pretty smooth.
I'm going to move up a bit closer to you if that's okay.
Yeah, I got it.
You have a lead, I'm just formation on you.
Alright. So we're about 10 miles from the Mercey Hot Springs. We have never been there before, so we don't really know exactly what it is. We're just going to try to follow a road. And we're actually on top of one of the places I landed before. I actually have that on video as well. And so we're going to try to scope the area first and see where the winds are doing and make sure we do a safe landing. But I want to follow this road before we get there, because I know the road leads us there, and sometimes it's kind of hard to find a place. But might not be that difficult because there's not a lot of hills here. This is all public land. There's a lot of places that we can kind of go play here. It just takes an hour to get here, that's why we don't come here a lot. Alright, I found the road. I am below you on your 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I got you in time.
Okay, so I found the road. There we go. I'm just gonna try to follow that and see if it's easy to pick up the place, pick up the spot. Bunch of wires everywhere. Make sure we don't get close to them. And I'm gonna do maybe a 1 pass or 2 passes, make sure there is no people there or animals, and hopefully it's not too bumpy. It's starting to get a little bumpy here.
You see the wires?
Yeah, I got the wires. I want to stay here 500 feet. Says the place is right ahead of us. I don't see it. We're getting 50 knots winds in here.
Terrain, pull up.
Alright, shut up. Not in sight yet. You have me in sight?
Yep, I'm right behind you.
Alright. Oh, I think I got in sight.
Okay.
A little bit of a crosswinds, 14 knots or so. I'm gonna do a pass and come back and check it out.
Got ya. I'm at you 4 o'clock.
Okay. So 10 knots to be a tailwind here. It looks like a downhill, a little bit downhill, but probably better landing on the other way around.
Yeah, is there a windsock? I can't see a windsock.
Yeah, I didn't see one. Doesn't look bad. You got me?
Yep, I got you.
Okay, I'm gonna do a slight right turn.
Okay, so you're going to land to the north.
Yeah.
You had me on your 1 o'clock time.
Oh, got you.
Terrain ahead, pull up.
I got a runway in sight, and if you want to space out and I'll taxi back, I'll let you know.
Okay. I'll probably do a low approach.
Alright, I'm gonna taxi back.
How's the wind?
Pretty nice, not bad at all. You gotta go around it.
Yeah, I will.
Alright, you good?
Yep.
I'm gonna shut off.
Okay.
Welcome to Mercey Hot Springs. Let's check this place out. So this place is pretty cool. There are several hot tubs that you can go. Clothing is optional. There's one with a bunch of hot tubs by the pool, and people can camp. People can bring their own RVs. You can spend the day or you can spend the night. So there's a bathroom there, restrooms there, and up there are the some of the tubs, and
There's a little office here that you do your check-in. It's pretty cool. We're gonna probably spend a few hours here, just maybe do a sauna. There's sauna as well. So it'd be interesting to kind of come here, spend the day. So here's a camping area, and then let's check out the pool area. Here. It's a nice pool, and there's sauna right here. Yeah, it's kind of nice. I think this place is excellent. You can fly in. The runway, it's pretty long. I mean, look at the runway. It goes probably maybe 2,000–3,000 feet, looks like. Nice and wide. The condition is pretty good. Anyone flying from the Bay Area or from the Central Valley that have a capable airplane, you can land a Cessna here pretty easily. You can probably land a Bonanza here pretty easily. The water is really nice. Looks like all mineral water. And you have sauna, you have a pool, you have like a soaking tubs, which is a pretty massive, gigantic soaking tubs. If you like to be nude, there's a nude area for the tubs, and people are super nice and friendly. If you like to camp overnight, you can camp overnight. They have plenty of camping spots. They have cabins. If you like to stay overnight, they have their own cabins. It's kind of a hidden gem. Very nice place. Plus, the scenery is it's beautiful. Look around. Look at that. It's just so nice. It is just, I would say, 5 miles west of the Panoche VOR. It's called Mercey Hot Springs. Pretty nice place. It's worth the drive, worth the day. They charge $35 for 4 hours, which, I mean, 4 hours you can do basically everything here. It's only an hour from the Bay Area. If you're in the Central Valley, it's probably even quicker. If you're out in LA, it's probably a little a little further down, but you know, this weather is just fantastic, especially this time of the year. During the summer here, I think it's gonna get too windy, but this time of the year, the fall, beginning of fall, mid-fall, is just amazing. Anyway, so that's it for the Mercey Hot Springs. I think we're gonna pack and take off, and there's a couple of places that we saw that we think that we can land there. We're gonna see if we can check it out, but hope you guys enjoy one. If you do, go ahead and subscribe, click the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Smoke on, people.